Daniel, the passive cash stacker, and today we are going to jump into ShortsAI. We're going to look at this. This is a ShortsAI review and the demo ShortsAI bonus. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about my bonus if you decide to get it through my link down below. So of course, you will be able to get the vendor bonuses, the social traffic automation app, the $2,000 YouTube marketing guide, the Instagram automation marketing tool, and the video application with animated backgrounds, timers, redirects, retargeting, and what you get editing. But also, I'm going to give you an exclusive bonus that I created on how to create Canva shorts. So you can be able to create shorts video with Canva as well as being able to create video shorts with Pictory. So I'm going to go ahead and include these two videos that have been seen nowhere else. They're not on my channel. This is a special bonus training for you. And I'm also going to include some of the shorts covers that I have been using for some of my reels where I am promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products. So you will have my whole set of reel covers that I will go ahead and include for you, as well as some Canva reel templates that you will be able to use to be able to edit yourself and create your own reel templates. And the reason we have the stuff here in the center is this is where people first look when they are scrolling through. So you will be able to have these editable reel templates that you can use yourself to create overlays for your reels. Plus, I'm going to go ahead and get you access to a high ticket free course, $1,000 free course on how to be able to make high ticket recurring affiliate commissions every single month. All right, so there's two ways to be able to dive into ShortsAI. ShortsAI is a program that is going to allow you to create scripts for your short videos on your phone or on your desktop, and it is AI based. So you can actually have it automatically done here through the app itself, and then in app itself, you can actually see the background of it, which is ChatGPT. It gives you the ability to automatically have it inside your app, and you have the ability to also have a video teleprompter. So as you are watching your camera, you can go ahead and create your short videos with the teleprompter itself. So let me show you the offer, the different OTOs that they have inside, and then you can see a short demo of what is inside. Because if you enjoy this, you can click the link below and claim my bonuses. If you're going to buy it, you're going to buy it regardless, but you might as well get some really good high quality bonuses and not that PLR crap that everyone else is getting. Right now, you can either get a bundle. They had a webinar and you can get the bundle that actually has all the OTOs included for a huge steep discount. Plus, you actually get an additional program plus a ton of bonuses with it. So if you are interested in this ShortsAI, this is probably the best bet, or you can go through the funnel itself. So you have the front end, which is the ShortsAI, and that's going to give you the ability to do the generated automatically text for your script to be able to do it, plus the teleprompter on your phone or your desktop. You can go with the Elite, which is going to go ahead and have the 50 scripts. It's also going to have additional script writing for your YouTube shorts, your Facebook stories, your Twitter, your Instagram, your TikTok, all of that. So this is going to be the upgrade. Number one is going to be unlimited. So then you have unlimited scripts instead of just the 50. You have unlimited video storage on the app itself. Plus you get unlimited AI words and unlimited video recording. Now on the upgrade 2 is the faceless video creator. This helps you create videos without you being on the camera showing your face when you're doing the videos. Upgrade 3 is the agency business kit. They have a lot of done for you content inside there and done for you business website. And then this is the additional platform I was telling you about. They got the Power Suite ShortsAI edition. Now this has 13 other apps inside. This one here comes with 2,000 credits on the 13 apps, and it allows you to create offer and opt-in pages. It allows you to create a lot of graphics for your thumbnails or social graphics for Facebook and Instagram. So this one here actually was a launch product all by itself, and you're going to get access to the 13 apps inside here. Plus, you're going to get VidCloud, which is going to be 200 gigabytes of storage. And it says you can upload 10,000 videos per month, but 200 gigabytes of storage is quite a bit if you're just creating short videos. And that integration is actually built into the app on the desktop or the phone. So when you create your shorts videos, you can have them automatically uploaded to your VidCloud Pro, and it will give you the ability to be able to host your videos. You can also have 10 team members and 25 reseller licenses on the VidCloud Pro. So that's a nice little bonus there. Plus you get another host of bonuses for being able to get the package for the webinar pack. And currently, if you decide to get that right now, you get all of the bonuses and all of the OTOs plus the additional app. Instead of $1,000, you're going to be able to get it discounted at $247. That's for all the apps, all the bonuses, and the additional things, plus my bonuses. So it's nice. You don't have to go through the funnel, spend a bunch of time, and you save money on the one time. All right, so here is a quick demo of the app itself.
AI. Here are our campaigns listed here. You can see they're listed here with our options to change them. We're going to create a new one by clicking on the plus. Type in our campaign name. Here's our title, Why Short Videos Are Important for Businesses. Then you click on Create Campaign. Then we're going to type in our idea that the AI will then use to generate our script. And there is our idea. Short videos are important to businesses because they're trending right now and because people are buying because of shorts. And then we click on.
Now you see here, it also has the option to spin the content. So after the content gets put out, if you don't necessarily like that, you can spin it and get a different variation of it.
Generate AI script. All right, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to.
And you see here where it says launch AI, if you want, you can actually click this and it will open up ChatGPT so that you can go ahead and do some more fine tuning if you want, or get some other prompts, or use it inside your phone quickly and easily through the app itself as well.
Then we're going to type in our idea for the AI are likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. And then we're going to save that. Campaign script updated successfully. And then we hop back out, back to our campaigns. And now you see we have our why short videos are important for businesses. At this point, we will record our video. So what it's doing now is just loading my camera. And as you can see on the screen is the script that we just wrote. So then to record that, I click on record. Now it's recording it. And then I start the script. I can adjust the speed of it, and I can read it as it's coming through. Short video.
So now the speed adjustment option there on the bottom is very important, because a lot of teleprompters that you have, when you're using the teleprompter on the phone or on your computer, they'll go really fast and you're trying to dart around. It doesn't look really natural and it's a lot harder to be able to do it. So to instantly be able to adjust your speed on the teleprompter is very nice.
Videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they're more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. Now we're done. And one of the cool things is
and of course, the teleprompter text does not show on the actual video that is exported.
It will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds, edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. I'm going to pause. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come to the editor, it will remove those pauses. So we click on finish. So now what it's doing is it's detecting silence from the video. We can adjust the minimum time we want our silence to be as we scroll through here. The red is the silences it pulled out. Here's that silence there. Here's another silence, and here's a long silence towards.
And this is also really nice because I actually pay separately for another program to be able to take the silences out for it to be built into the app. That's really nice.
Yeah. I can apply the changes and it'll remove it and give us that punchy quality video that people expect with shorts. And then we click on next. You remove your unwanted. You want to continue to export your video? Yes. Continue. Eat that digestible way. We're done. One of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was.
And you notice that as it took out the pauses, it adds like a little bit of a jump cut. And that is really popular on short video as well as YouTube, TikTok. A lot of people like jump cuts. It adds it in there automatically for you.
Pause for 3 seconds. It stopped the recording, edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. I'm going to pause again here. It was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. And that's how it works. So we want to publish, save it, and campaign video uploaded successfully. And then we can publish, which will then connect it to our Facebook, YouTube, or to another app. That's how simple it is. Now,
and you see here on the top, it's got VidCloud. So that is one of the OTOs that you can get. Or if you get the webinar bundle, you have that built in. So you can automatically save it to VidCloud. And that means that you can just very easily share it to all of your social platforms. You upload it to TikTok or download it to your phone. You upload it to Facebook or upload it to Instagram or YouTube, all of those kind of stuff. So you can have it for later, or you can instantly upload it through the app.
Sharing it to YouTube. Click on YouTube. Video successfully added to YouTube. And then we return back. And there we are back at our campaigns. Now this can be completely done on the website as well using your webcam. Here I am on the website for ShortsAI. The app is called AI Prompter. And click in here to log in with the.
All right, that was a quick demo of it for the phone version. Now, inside of the website, you come in here and you're able to access all of your recordings. You can go ahead and record, you can publish it, you can delete it. You also have the ability to go ahead and connect your stuff, whether it's Facebook, the YouTube, or the VidCloud. You can download the app if you're accessing this on your phone. You can download it directly to Google Play or the Apple. And it also has quite a bit of training to be able to go in there, but it's super simple to use. It's pretty efficient. So for what it is pretty easy to use to just get in there, and you can just figure it out in your phone or on the desktop being able to use it. Yeah. So your main access section is going to be the campaigns. You get in there and you can use that. You can go ahead and edit the name if you want. You can go ahead and edit your script if you want. And you can also sort your entries by 10, 25, 50, or 100 to go ahead and find what you've done. And you have a search box here, or you can create a new campaign with the green text. So hopefully this ShortsAI review and bonus demo was helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up and leave a comment down below that says it was helpful. That will definitely help me in the algorithm, and I would be greatly appreciated. Now, once again, if you want to go ahead and claim my exclusive bonuses where you're going to find nowhere else because I created them for you, make sure you buy with the link below. I will have both links, either the bundle link where you can get everything included plus the bonus apps at the one low discounted price, or you can just jump in the front end. I'll have the link for that below as well, and you can find what you like inside the funnel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon.